Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if you are receiving printing error messages on your Windows 11 and 10 system. Then the first and initial workaround is simple restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issues of your printer related issue. So you must reboot your system and check whether your printing error messages error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restart printer. Completely close your printer, remove cable and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is right click on start button and choose run. In run command box, type the command services.msc. Click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. Here in services windows, look for the option printer spooler services or print queue services. Scroll down and you will find printer related option print spooler services. Simply apply a double click on it to open its properties windows. And here make sure that a startup type should be automatic. So choose a startup type automatic, and if you already found it in a start mode, then stop it and again after some times start it. Stop it and after some times again right click on it and choose start it. So restart or start your print spooler services through services windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to system, thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, choose other troubleshooters and run printer troubleshooter. Click on run button and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. It will take some times. This is a very important tool, Windows inbuilt tool, troubleshoot. You must apply printer troubleshooting and check whether your printer error message is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device drivers, go to the section print queue. Print queue, expand it, find out your printer, problematic printer, and simply right click on it and choose update driver. Update your installed printer driver. How do you want to search for your drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Once successfully updation of your drivers, don't forget to restart your system. Your error printing messages definitely be resolved. That's all.